Hi folks, Jacopo from Dokin here. Welcome to a new video. Welcome to a new Google Sheets tip of the week. Today I'm talking about two functions that when mixed together are really powerful to retrieve data from a specific range. I'm talking about index and match. If you have already watched our videos, you're probably already familiar with XLOOKUPs, VLOOKUPs, and these two functions mixed together kinda have a similar purpose. I'm going to show you how it works. Here I have an employee's payroll with the name, role, salary, and employee ID. And I want to be able to return the salary of my employee within this cell. So I'm going to start with the basics. The index function allows you to return the value that it's at the crossing between a certain row, a specific row, and a specific column. So to do that, we start by entering a reference. And for that, I'm selecting my range of data without the headers, as you can see. And then I want to return the Jim Halbert salary. So I know that Jim Halbert is on the fourth row of my range, and the salary is on the third column of my range. So I enter 4, 3, close my brackets, and I have my Jim Halbert salary that is returned into this cell. However, as you can see, this is very manual, and it doesn't allow me to render this cell dynamic based on the employee name. So to do that, I can help myself by mixing my index with the match function. The match function returns the position of a specific key. And so I'm going to show you how that works. I'm selecting match function, and as a search key, my employee name followed by the range. In this case, I'm selecting the list of names. And finally, I'm adding 0 for an exact match. And the match function returns the value of 4. This means that Jim Halbert is on the fourth row of the range that I have selected. So see where I'm going with this. I can now mix index and match to automate the function that I had just entered here. So again, I'm starting with an index function. I'm selecting as a reference my whole table without headers again. And for the row, I'm going to use the match function as a search key, the employee's name, and the range is going to be the list of names. Finally, 0 for an exact match. I just need to enter the column now. I'm entering 3, but I could once again use the match function to automate that too. Closing the brackets, and there I have it, my salary, and the cell is finally dynamic. I can change the name of the employee, and I'm going to have the corresponding salary. So that's how the index and match functions work. Let me know what you think in the comments. Let me know if you use them, if you like using them, or if you have other preferred choices. Don't forget to follow us. Stay tuned with our Google Sheets tips, and feel free to share yours. Be happy to hear from you. Thank you very much.